Yo, welcome back, Smile Jammers. Now, a blogger's perspective on relationship deal breakers gone viral. We're going to rewind to November of 2015, when Nefril, Sakina, and I weighed on relationship. Red flags. Run it.
I noticed with someone go in the relationship, them and they come like run no thorough investigation before no go in them. And someone come like all when no run the thorough investigation, them and see big red flag them, or no ignore them and not dive in the relationship them same way like no think Olympics, no there's somewhere about a dive for goal. But me there baby fi make no know see an Olympics, this baby a real life, how now no life. So now if you know how not take up before no take up crosses pa no. So if you no know a red flag, you come like me, I forgot me no know. So if you not look a man and when you ask a man question like them, I say baby, so which part you live? You know me and my mother live though. Red flag. So me ask up how much pick me have. You know 6 me have though. Red flag. So how much different baby mother? You know 4 different baby mother though. Red flag. So which part you work? You know how me also do. Red flag. So what you plan to do for better yourself? You know, hear me say also me also. Red flag, you know if you know red flag when you don't see it. You know if you understand say red flag mean no go zone. When you know hear about red flag, the first thing to come to no mind a danger, that mean you know if you leave it alone. So baby you drive, now you don't know the little car when me a push on my sister one. Red flag in an abiding city. Red flag in an
I'm tired!
Well, the amount of flag wave inside. So that was comedian Wally British. So all right, so finding and creating a healthy and romantic relationship is hard work, but you could avoid heartache if you pay attention to a few common red flags. What are these red flags?
You tell me. You have red flags?
Well, you just heard some of them, so
right.
You're working.
That's a problem if there's not. Okay. They never apologize or take responsibility for their behavior.
Well, I know. Wait, now, who are we talking about now?
Your partner.
Yeah, we're
or the
seeing.
person
your
that
partner,
you're
but you're not necessarily talking about the man in the relationship.
No,
well, Simone, not answering that.
You're looking for, we're talking about your a partner or a potential partner.
Yeah, but it could be a man or a woman.
Correct.
Okay, that's all I want to know. So it's not me who no chewing flag.
No, we're not showing no word after
okay,
you. But if it happens to squeeze your con.
So they never apologize or take responsibility for behavior. What if them don't do nothing wrong?
See it, eh?
No,
see that?
No, I just asked. It's a simple question. Why should I apologize if I don't do anything wrong?
No.
Ladies, all of you who wife up Nefril, if you don't wife him up, all of you know, sit there.
No, I just asking that question.
This is assuming that you've done something bad.
All right, that's fine. So flag up the thing, flag up the thing. So if you do something wrong and you don't apologize, then it's red flag. But if you don't do nothing wrong, then it's not
you just have a huge red flag. You have all
What's the next one?
3 red flags. Next one is they get up and leave during an argument. Well, that's not necessarily a red flag.
What if them don't want to continue?
That's what I'm saying. That's not necessarily a red flag for me.
Red flagging.
Because sometimes it's safer to just shut up.
You must sit down and
you have never been taken on an actual date?
No, man, red flag.
Like, why you can't take
He hiding you, girl.
Hold on, wait, no.
She hiding you, hun.
Wait, no. So what if it's just the first 2 weeks in the relationship?
Look here, 2 weeks and you can't carry me in public? Something is very wrong with that.
No, I never said I can't carry in public.
Somebody.
No, I never said that, you know. What if
started.
we just go to Emancipation Park and sit in? Is that date, that?
Yeah, that's a date.
All right, but we don't red flag up the thing.
No, you have to red flag it because it's saying that they don't do that.
You're going to take me to the park every week?
What
are going to do? Pick flowers?
Because they can't afford nothing else but if you can't go park and eat some
What's the next one?
Okay. Team.
Only not prepared for this.
How they talk about their exes. What that mean?
Everything is bad.
Talk bad about the ex? No, man, that is red flag. We ain't the bad talking thing. Flag up the thing. Only not flag. That means we talk bad about to the ex.
If they're bad,
flag up. What do you mean?
That's a good thing.
If the experience were not good,
Yeah,
why
what
must stop
would I
going?
No, my mother used to say, if you have nothing good to say,
Don't say nothing.
don't say nothing.
Okay.
Flag up the thing.
Flag
up the thing if we talk bad about the ex.
Try to make that flag then come jump out there and here.
Next one.
Your close friends and family members don't like them.
Let me not feel like them.
Yeah.
The flag then I go so hard, you know.
I don't have any more energy. True, by though, that is going to be a problem.
Okay.
It's going to be a problem, but you don't have to like them. What if them do it? I don't have to like them. We're not flagging.
I don't think so.
I don't have to.
But why all of your family
all
and your friends who
all?
know you well?
No, it never say all. It say your close friends and family members.
But
well, close is all still. No, I agree. Close is all. Flag up the thing. Flag up the thing. We have flag. When me a flag for? No, but when me a flag for? I'm certain why me a flag.
Never mind.
What's the next one?
They have a bad relationship with their family.
Yeah.
They have a bad relationship with their family?
Yeah. I think that's dangerous.
Flag up.
Yeah.
True, but why you can't get along with them?
Talk and take care of your mother.
Are you going to have a good relationship with me if you can't get along with your own people?
Wait. It depends on which part of the family.
Your whole life family is supposed to have good relationship with your family.
Wait, no, why?
I must have good relationship with everybody. My family big, you know. You also
so you don't get along with none of them?
None of them is flag.
Then they're not that which.
But if I just one or two of them, I flag.
They give ultimatum.
Who is there now?
The other person, the smarty way you're talking.
Using ultimatums to get their
Shana
way.
talk to me like I don't. Shana say, the same.
Ultimatums all the time?
But what kind
all
of
the time is flag. All the time is flag.
Ultimatums like what though?
If you don't do this, you're going to just go through the door. No,
if
man,
you don't cut your ear, you're going to...
Flag up that.
I think that's a flag.
Flag up that.
No ultimatum.
First of all, it wouldn't even be a red flag. I'd be like, yeah, all right, peace. See ya.
Deuces. They call or text obsessively.
Wally them.
Go down. Go down. Not happening. All right, we understand.
Don't want to talk to you 50,000 times a day. If you cannot find me, I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm probably just sleeping. Okay, I'm sleeping if you can't find me. Don't.
And then when they can't find you on the text message and you hear a knock on your door,
run away, ladies and gents, run away.
Andre. Who gave Andre a flag, please?
Hello, if you're dating Andre, please take this as a message.
Well, first thing, if not enough phones, you can't text him. What's the next one?
It's done.
Interesting. The man where wave the flag the hardest is now very married and taken.
Andre Nieder.
What's also interesting, Neville was not only waving a red flag, Neville
wearing
was
a red shirt.
Wearing a red flag.
Neville is danger.
So when you see Neville have on the red flag, I'm not saying anything further. I'm just saying.
It's just ironic, eh?
Yeah.
It's like rain on your wedding day.
Neville had on the red flag.
It's a free ride. Okay. Speaking of Neville. Up next on Smile.
We'll have a chat. Mr. Red Flag himself.
In a blue shirt this month. Hi, Nev. We'll be right back.